Welcome to Crypto Miner Consultations, Hosting, and Repairs. And today we have this control board here. We're going to go ahead and flash it with S9 firmware. This is Hiveon. Now what you're going to need is you're going to need some gloves. And now what you need to do is you also want to get a brush. Let's go ahead and clean it off first. Now you need a pair of tweezers, would be useful here. Go ahead and take this. This is JP4. We move it over one. Alright, now I already showed you how to put all the files on the SD card here. Okay. Now we also have our power cable here, 6-pin. Make sure to put it the right way, otherwise you can short the board. Waiting for this to flash 3 times. There's once. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Needs to blink 3 in a row. There we go. Now we can go ahead and disconnect it. Go ahead and take out the SD card. Now we need to switch the jumper back over on JP4. And there we have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to see future videos. And if you can find the heatsink in this video here, you'll go ahead and get 10 Doge coin. Let's have some fun.